Welcome to my channel once again, and after a very long time, uploading a vlog. And today's vlog is about nothing but we will be riding a Triumph Tiger 900 Rally Pro today at Moto Monks India West Store near Manikpur. So, can't wait to ride the Tiger 900, and it is the one of my favorite bike and also a dream bike. So, let's go. Can't wait to ride it, and the excitement is very different to ride. So thanks to Motormonks India for arranging a test ride, and thanks Triumph for coming here in Vasai and giving us a test ride of Tiger. Can't wait. Let's go. This is the Tiger 900 Rally Pro, the latest launch one of Triumph, and it cost you around 18 lakhs on road price in Mumbai, and it has a very nice comfort riding position. It is but difficult to ride for a shorter vehicle as my also toes are a bit on ground, and plus the it's instrument cluster. It's a 7-inch screen with a nice color combinations, and plus the handlebar is very also comfortable. Plus it has a very nice lightweight riding position. It weighs around 200, about 200 kgs, but while riding you get easy comfort in city. But if you can ride like means you're riding a normal 200 cc bike, but this machine is very great, and its sitting height is also very comfortable. The design of the bike is also very in great styling, the aggressive look of the body design.